CQDX 151, South Carolina, standing by.
Georgia 1, George. 151, 235, McGiver, 100.
I got you in there, 235. How you doing tonight?
David, how it is on 685 Tom? We're good into southwestern Michigan there. 235 McGiver, Georgia 1, hold it, Mr. Shoot Park ground. Wait. Roger, Roger.
How about that, 235? You still in there?
Oh, yeah, you want to go to a different frame? 02.
See if you can drop it down one.
235 McGiver, southwestern Michigan.
You got 151, Mower Junkie, South Carolina.
Hot Dog, who's that? Call 680 back, go ahead.
Copy that. You got Mower Junkie on this end.
While you're making it out of southwestern Michigan there, we're approximately 20 miles north of Kalamazoo, Michigan there.
Copy that. You're making a fine trip down here to the Midlands of South Carolina.
Yeah, you're making a good trip up here too as well. Station calling 685. Yeah, look into your microphone relays. They need to be cleaned. Over, over.
Is it giving a little scratchy sound there?
Yes, it is. Just, from one radio operator to the next there, you might want to look at that pretty quickly.
Yeah, copy that. This thing is probably 40 years old.
I hear you. Yeah, we operate all kinds of equipment, and you don't know if something's screwing up unless your buddy tells you, Roger.
Copy that. Give me 1 second and I'll switch it out.
Good enough. You don't have to. You're sounding good. You're coming in good into southwestern Michigan. Got the old commander in line this evening. How's that sound?
A commander? Who's that by?
Command Technologies, Commander HF 2500.
Ah, copy that. Yeah, I'm on an old unit in Washington. How's this microphone sound?
Roger that. Sounding good. Good audio, good presence. We're just running a used FD 47 that with the original hand mic on it, and what band are we on? Okay. We're running a Mako B58 at this point in time. It's a vertical aluminum antenna. Over.
Copy that. Yeah, it sounds like I've looked those antennas up. I've been looking for a beam myself. I'm currently running on a homemade dipole in my attic.
Hell yeah. That's some hammering right there. Yeah, good job. It's working for you, man.
It was about 10 trips up and down the stairs to set it.
I hear you, but you got her done. That's awesome. I was in a place at one point in time where when I heat up, every touch lamp I owned would go on and off. It would actually go low, medium, high, low, medium, high, off, low, medium, high, off, all night long as I was transmitting. And I never knew that until my wife told me.
Copy that. I had a similar situation. I was coming in over the living room TV and didn't know it until my wife told me.
See? So that little bit of information, led to a positive situation at the end there, Roger.
Copy that. As long as they don't mind and don't get mad at us, it's all good.
My first station, I set it up in the living room. My wife listened to about 20 minutes of white noise and said, oh, hell no.
Yeah, that was pretty much the same on my end. If she's not talking to me, she has no use for the radio.
Roger that. Yeah, I'm listening to the pole barn. I got a heater in here and I'm good.
Ah, copy that. I set myself up with a little man cave in the house in the extra bedroom.
Roger that. Alrighty, sir. Good talking to you. down in Choice up here to southwestern Michigan, and Mike change definitely was on the positive side there. It worked.
Awesome. Yeah, I'll have to give that other one a clean out. What was the first personal on that end?
The first personal on this end is Keith. Kilo Echo India Tango Hotel. Back to you, sir.
Nice to meet you, Keith. It was a pleasure talking with you. You got John on this end.
Hey, John, we got you in the logbook. Nice talking to you, 73s, and we'll enjoy the rest of this weekend, and hopefully you have a good turkey day in the near future. 73s.
Alrighty there, 235 Keith. I'll talk to you again, hopefully. Have a good turkey day yourself. 73s, over and out.